Well, what are you telling me? You're really going to leave Emily? Is this true? And you're going to run away with the winner of the Zelda Fitzgerald Emotional Maturity Award?
Well, look, I love her.
Oh my
I've always loved her.
What kind of crazy friend are you?
I'm a good friend. I introduced the two of you, remember?
Yeah. Why'd you do that? I don't understand. What was the point?
Well, I thought you liked her.
Yeah, I do like her. Now we both like her.
Yeah, well, I liked her first.
I liked her first. What are you, 6 years old? Jesus.
Oh, look, I thought it was over, you know? I mean, would I have encouraged you to go out with her if I didn't still like her?
So what, you liked it, then you didn't like it, then you did like it? It's still early. You can still change your mind one more time before dinner.
Don't get sarcastic about this. I mean, do you think I like this?
How long were you going to see her and not tell me anything?
And look, don't turn this into one of your big moral issues either.
Well, I'm saying you could have called me, you could have talked to me. I'm very understanding, all right? I'd have said no, but you would have felt honest.
Look, I wanted to tell you about it. I knew it was going to upset you. We had a few innocent meetings.
A few innocent meetings? She said one. You guys need to really get your stories straight. I mean, what, don't you rehearse?
We met twice for coffee.
Come on, she doesn't drink coffee. What'd you do, meet for Sanka? That's not too romantic. That's a little on the geriatric side.
Well, I'm not a saint, okay?
But you are too easy on yourself, okay? See, that's your whole fucking problem, right? You rationalize everything. You are not honest with yourself. I mean, you talk about how you want to write a book, but in the end you would rather buy the Porsche, or you cheat on Emily and you play around the truth a little with me, and next thing you know, you're in front of a fucking Senate committee and you're naming names, you're informing on your friends.
You are so self-righteous. You know that? I mean, we're just people. We're human beings. I mean, and you think you're God or something?
Oh, hey, well, I have to model myself after somebody, don't I?
Well, you just can't go around living the way that you do. It's all so perfect.
Oh, God. What are future generations going to say about us, huh? You know, one of these days, we're going to end up like him, okay? And he was probably one of the beautiful people. He was probably one of the ones dancing and playing tennis and everything. And now, look, this is what happens. You know, it's really important to have some kind of personal integrity, okay? One day, my skeleton is going to be hanging in a classroom, and I want to make sure that when I thin out, that I'm well thought of.
Look, Isaac, where are you going?